Some other sirens testing. What the hell? Sounds like modulators. I'm over here waiting for I saw a CSX train right down that rail, waiting for it to come out. Another weird siren. It almost sounds like a modulator.